Here's something most SCHD investors do not fully understand at all. Even if you stopped buying SCHD today and never added another dollar, the fund would not sit still. It would keep doing things automatically without your input at all. And that would change your position in a meaningful way over the next 5, 10, and 20 years. The misconception is that a buy and hold position is a passive dormant thing. You own it, it sits there, you wait, but SCHD is specifically designed to keep working on your behalf even when you're doing absolutely nothing. Understanding what it's actually doing is really what separates the people who hold it with confidence from the people who second guess it every time the price dips a little bit. So let me explain what SCHD actually does behind the scenes that most investors never even think about, okay? First, the dividend. SCHD pays you every quarter indefinitely, obviously, as long as the fund exists. That payment arrives whether you bought more shares this week or not, whether the market is up or down, whether you thought about it or not, right? You get that dividend. Second, the dividend grows. The 100 companies inside SCHD are not paying the same dividend they paid last year. Most of them raised it, right? They raised it because their earnings grew. And growing companies that have been paying dividends for at least 10 years in a row, which is the minimum requirement to even be considered for SCHD, tend to keep raising what they pay out. So the income SCHD pays you gets larger over time without you literally doing anything. Third, SCHD's holdings change every year through what's called the annual reconstitution process. The fund automatically removes companies that no longer qualify and adds better ones. This happens every March. You don't choose it, you don't manage it, you don't pay an advisor to do it, okay? Literally, the algorithm handles all of it. All three of these things happen whether you buy more shares or not. But here's the framework that changes how you think about a do nothing position like this, because most investors have been trained to equate action with progress, checking the account, moving money, adding shares, rebalancing. The more you do, the more you feel like you're in control. But look, with SCHD specifically, the doing nothing phase is actually doing something, okay? Every quarter you hold and don't touch it, your dividend gets paid. Every year the dividend grows historically around 10% on average. The income from those same shares increases automatically. Every March, the reconstitution improves the quality of what you own without you making a decision ever. And the compounding isn't happening because of your actions, okay? It's happening in spite of your inaction. And the longer you let it run, the more that distinction actually matters. The only active decision that accelerates this during a hold phase without buying any new shares is reinvesting the dividends. If the dividends are set to reinvest automatically, each quarterly payment buys fractional new shares, which earn their own dividends, which buys more shares. That's the snowball that runs without any input from you at all. But let's talk about what dividend growth actually looks like over time, okay? Let's make the dividend growth really concrete here because percentages, they're abstract until you actually start seeing the numbers. Say you hold 2,000 shares of SCHD today at, let's say, $30 a share price, current quarterly dividend approximately 26 cents a share. That means you're receiving around $520 a quarter or a little over $2,000 a year. Now, if SCHD grows its dividend at 9% annually, a conservative estimate given its historical track record, here's what happens to that $2,000 over 10 years without you adding literally a single share. In year 5, the quarterly payment per share is around 40 cents. Your 2,000 shares pay about $800 a quarter or $3,200 per year. In year 10, the per share dividend is approximately 62 cents. Your same 2,000 shares pay you over $1,200 a quarter or $5,000 a year. You didn't add capital, you didn't manage anything. The income from those exact same shares grew from $2,000 to $5,000 per year just because the companies in the fund kept growing what they actually paid out. But let's talk about the annual reconstitution and what that actually even does for us here. Because every March, SCHD algorithm reviews all 100 holdings and the broader universe of potential candidates, okay? Companies that no longer meet this quality criteria because, let's say, they cut their dividend, because their debt grew too high, because their cash flows, let's say, deteriorated, they get removed, okay? Stronger candidates, they come in and they replace them. This is not optional maintenance you schedule. It happens automatically. It's the reason you can buy SCHD in 2026 and trust that your holding in 2036 will still be a quality portfolio, even though some of the individual companies, of course, will have changed. In 2026, the reconstitution added United Health, Abbott Labs, Qualcomm, and Accenture, companies that were sold off and now trade at depressed prices, while trimming energy names near their all-time highs. That's exactly what a disciplined investor would want to do, execute it automatically for us. Every year you hold SCHD without touching it. This is happening. The fund is continuously upgrading itself. Let's talk about what dividend reinvestment does to our share counts, okay? If you have dividend reinvestment turned on, which costs nothing and takes 30 seconds to enable, here's what happens to those 2,000 shares over 10 years with no new contributions. Each quarterly payment buys new shares. At $30 a share today, 26 per share dividend, your quarterly 520 payment buys roughly 17 new shares. Those 17 shares pay dividends next quarter. Those dividends buy more shares. Over 10 years, that compounding can add several hundred shares to your position without a single dollar of new capital from you. The exact number depends on how the share price moves and how the dividend actually grows, but the direction is always the same. The position gets larger on its own. When people say SCHD is boring, they usually mean the short-term experience of watching a 3.5% yield fund, okay? And that indeed is boring. But what's happening underneath that boring surface is a compounding machine, growing dividends, automatic quality upgrades, share count expansion from reinvestments, all literally without your active involvement at all. The I'll never buy another share framing isn't a defeat. It's a recognition that at a certain point, the position you've built takes over and does the work. The accumulation phase earns the compounding phase, okay? And the compounding phase, once it's running, doesn't require your effort at all. Most investors never reach the point where they can step back and trust the machine because they're too busy second guessing it, right? They're switching into something else or chasing a higher yield somewhere else. The ones who hold through the boring years are the ones who end up with positions that pay them meaningfully without active management required at all. Got some questions for you guys for the comment section as always. Number one, do you have dividend reinvestment turned on for your SCHD position? And if not, is there a reason that you're choosing to take the cash instead? Let us know down below in the comments. And number two, has the annual reconstitution ever surprised you either by adding a company you totally didn't expect or by removing one that you thought would stay? Let us know down below in the comments. And also make sure to click the first link in the description of today's video. That is our Ark Options Strategy. I'm gonna show you how to take your SCHD gains and other assets in your portfolio and how you can turn those into an active income stream in addition to the passive yields that a lot of these funds already provide. Plus you'll get my 15 favorite stocks all under $30 completely for free as my watch list. So click the first link in the description of today's video, guys. Remember, sell options, collect premiums, repeat. I'll see y'all tomorrow.